Hi guys, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial today on how to do one of these centerpieces. We actually have had this here for a while and we redecorate it for Christmas and other holidays, but we were having a problem with when we had people over, we were having to move this lantern because you couldn't see the people on the other side of the table. So I'm going to do a quick little refresh of this. I bought some potpourri balls at Home Goods, and then I got some pieces at Pop Shelf, which if you've never been there, you need to go see. They have great decor and kitchen items there, so give them a shot. So we're going to remove everything that's here. Had a lantern and some cinnamon sticks left over from Christmas. This should only take a couple of minutes. This is a pretty quick refresh. So what I bought was a couple of pedestals to set in the middle. And I'm doing something on either side so that I don't need something large in the middle. So I'm doing two short things on either side. And I bought these candles. And I'm going to take the little inserts out. They smell amazing. They're called Tea Blossom. And they do have they have print on the side, so I'm going to turn them towards the middle so they won't be as noticeable. Yeah, I'll turn them towards the middle. And then I might need to put something in here to make them set straight if they can't sit straight in the middle, which is not a big deal, but I'll probably put a little something in there to make them sit straight. And then these don't smell, but they're pretty. I'm just gonna dump out, sorry about the noise. Dump out the pieces. These are fairly neutral colors. It's got a brown, an off-white, a white, and then some of the greenery that's like the moss. So it just gives a little interest without having to match your room necessarily. So it could go for different seasons as well. So I'm just gonna throw the pieces in here and kind of mix them up, mix up the different designs. So there's a little bit of variety in there. You could do this with little candelabras or tapers. If you wanted to, you'd still be able to see through the space and it would not restrict your vision to see the people on the other side of the table. But this lantern was definitely an issue. So this is much better. So there you go. And this can still be decorated for different seasons. You just pack up what you have in there right now and you can put other items in there for different seasons. So just a quick little tutorial for you. Thanks, have a great day.